In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your voice into different languages with HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a video you already have and create a natural-sounding dubbed version in the language you choose, all inside HeyGen. Start by heading to the HeyGen website and opening the homepage. Once you're there, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Translate option. This is the workspace where HeyGen handles language conversion for your media. Click Translate to open the translation tools so we can set up the dubbing workflow. Inside Translate, choose Audio Dubbing. This feature is designed to keep the timing and pacing of your original speech while generating a translated voice track in another language. It's ideal for turning tutorials, interviews, or announcements into content that reaches a wider audience. Now it's time to bring in your video. If the file is on your computer, you can simply drag and drop it onto the upload area. Prefer to browse? Click Browse Local Files, navigate to your video, select it, and press Open. For best results, start with a file that has clear speech, minimal background noise, and permission for reuse. Cleaner audio leads to cleaner transcripts and more accurate translations. If your video lives online, you can use a link instead. Choose the option to add a YouTube or Google Drive URL. Make sure the link is accessible, copy it, and paste it into the field provided. Then press Enter or Submit to let HeyGen fetch the media. If the link isn't publicly viewable, adjust the sharing settings first so the system can import it correctly. Once your video is loaded, choose the target language. Pick the language that matches your audience's needs and the context of your content. This selection tells HeyGen how to translate your original narration and which voice model to generate for the dubbed track. When you're ready, click Translate. HeyGen will transcribe your original audio, convert it into the target language, and synthesize a new voice track aligned to the timing of your video. Processing time depends on the length and quality of your source, so keep the tab open and let it run. A strong internet connection and shorter clips will speed things up, and starting with clear dialogue helps the system capture nuance and tone more accurately. That's the full process. Open HeyGen, go to Translate, select Audio Dubbing, add your video by file or URL, choose your target language, and start the translation. Follow these steps and you'll have a multilingual version of your content ready to share with viewers around the world.